Okay. Next we have is this Zebronics speakers, and let me just quickly unbox it for you and see what we get here. Okay. I'll just use my hands. See if it works. Yeah, the box is open. You can see the box is open. I'll take out the stuff, the good stuff, and the bag. There's the speaker itself. I was going for creative pattern first, but these are the ones I finalized for my own stuff. I'll quickly attach these to my MIDI and show you my volume. You know, that could be a good idea. No, I'll put a, yeah, I can. Okay, so here's the wheel as I can see. Okay, so here's the speaker itself. As you can see, this is how they are made, and it looks pretty good for the price they are getting. It's for $700 right now on Amazon. And these are the two ports that I've got: USB and the normal audio jack. Right. So without any wasting time, let's just try to power it up using the existing setup. Can we? Okay, I need an. Okay. You can see. Let's see if it powers up. It should. To be honest. But it does not turn on. Why? Why is that? Do you think we have a button somewhere in between? Wait. Okay. Turn on the power bank, obviously. Okay. So there, as you can see, they have turned it on, and you just put some. Okay, the RGB LED lights actually obviously looks really cool at this price point. I mean, what else can you expect? And the power rating for this speakers is 10 watt. Mind you, are getting a lot of value for that money. You don't get a 10 watt speaker for usually this price point. And let me see if I can, turn on my MIDI with this. I have my MIDI controller that I usually play, and I'll put in some batteries in this, and maybe we can check out the power very soon. So just give me a moment, and I'll put in the batteries. Oh, the RGB is obviously looking really cool. Okay, so as you can see, my inbuilt sound is very low for the speakers. As you can see, the inbuilt sound is really low. So what happens if I connect it to these speakers? Okay, let me see what happens when I connect it to my speakers. These speakers. Let's see the setup, shall we? The basic setup for me. Okay. Oh my god, they're pretty loud, to be honest. Even the bass volume is really loud. That will do the job, to be honest. Imagine the entire setup. That's good. Let's increase the volume. Oh man, lovely. Lovely. In the maximum volume. Lovely. Pure piano. Let's see the drum kits, how the drum kits look. This is the maximum volume that you can get. Let's see the full one. Nice. So as you can see, I'm getting really loud and crisp noise. Let's just check out with this the same thing with some music. Probably get a copyright strike, which is stupid. So I'll just play some music. Yeah, that could be a thing where I'll just mute the video in case I get the copyright strike. So let's plug this same thing to some. You know what? Let's play some video normal. That could be a good thing.
Just to give the audio a curve और unwanted frequencies हटाना, because anyhow हमारी kick में 40-50 hertz के बाद ही start होती है, तो 30 hertz तक हमारे पास track में कुछ नहीं होता. So it's very important कि जो frequencies हमें नहीं चाहिए वो हम हटा दें. And using the high cut gives us a round shape. थोड़ा सा round shape देता है. So now let's quickly move to the next plugin. जो हमारा next plugin है, that is the compressor. Now this compressor is your Logic stock compressor. तो देखते हैं मैंने इसको क्यों अप्लाई किया. I'll play the track for you.
जैसे कि हम देख पा रहे हैं
और ट्रैक के बीच में ही कंप्रेसर ऑन कर दूंगा, so that आपको पता चले डिफरेंस कि एग्जैक्टली कंप्रेसर क्या कर रहा है. बिन बताए मुझे चल कहीं जहाँ तू मुस्कुराए मेरी मंजिल. राइट, तो जैसा कि आप लोग सुन सकते हैं, आप लोगों को वो स्लाइट क्लैरिटी फील हो रही होगी. दैट राइट, तो जैसा कि आप लोग सुन सकते हैं, आप लोगों को वो स्लाइट क्लैरिटी फील हो रही होगी. दैट इज बिकॉज यहाँ पे मैंने कंप्रेसर को डायनेमिक्स कंट्रोल करने से ज़्यादा क्लैरिटी अचीव करने के लिए यूज़ किया है. रीज़न बीइंग हमने मिक्स में ही ऐसी साउंड प्रिपेयर कर ली थी जो हमें फाइनली सुननी थी. तो इस वजह से मास्टरिंग करते वक्त आई डिडंट फील एनी नीड टू चेंज द साउंड, कुछ हाइज बूस्ट करने, लोज बूस्ट करने, बिकॉज वो सब हम मिक्स में पहले ही कर चुके थे. यूजिंग द कंप्रेसर, वाई? बिकॉज आपको पता होगा हम मिक्स में क्या करते हैं, इंडिविजुअल चैनल्स पे EQ कर रहे होते हैं, कंप्रेशन कर रहे होते हैं. तो उस चक्कर में क्या होता है कि हमारा एक एक एलिमेंट तो क्लीन हो जाता है, एक एक एलिमेंट तो बहुत अच्छा डायनेमिकली स्टेबल. गाओ गाना गादा. अरे फर्स्ट टाइम वेट कर रहा है.
So as you can see, it looks pretty cool. And
भाई गाना तो गा.
let's see how League of Legends look.
In their favor right
there. Tarzan was waiting in the bush like, haha, I'll smite it away from Shun. And then Shun
Well,
literally
Leo with
one-shot
that
the
smoke.
skull crab from full HP with shield. And Tarzan's like, oh, I guess I won't contest this one. Back over to the Drake we go. 12 seconds now until this one respawns. LNG, the ones with control of the area. Icon was in base though. He is on the way. He's going to be arriving at the same time as Baolan, so that advantage you talked about not going to exist.
They're trading that advantage for the cap on Icon. I'm not sure if I agree with this, but Tarzan!
Oh, look at the damage on Tarzan. The Shy is just shredding health bars. Nobody can even punish him. Bakuya has yet to be Meganar in a fight. Every single time we see a fight, Bakuya is exhausted or he's just turning into Mega. It's been disastrous for them. It's going to be Cloud Soul now for IG. And now we're suddenly in a real scary position for LNG because I don't remember the last time they contested an objective. And the only objectives that are coming up are Baron and then LG.
Okay, so that's it for the video. And if you do like the video, do subscribe and comment on this channel. It really helps. I mean, I'm not earning anything right now on YouTube. It's not even monetized, but it would really help if I get more subscribers. I'll be bringing more tech videos and it really motivates. Thanks for watching.